Subcon 3-channel dashcam with 1080 pixel resolution for both front and inside cameras. This dashcam captures every detail with clarity. Plus, the HDR feature ensures top-notch footage no matter the lighting. Having 3 cameras covering the front, inside, and rear means I feel completely protected. It's like having eyes all around my car, providing peace of mind like never before. The 32GB card included means you don't have to worry about extra purchases. And features like the G sensor and 24-hour parking mode offer extra layers of security. This interior-facing car dash cam design has 4 infrared LED lights, which can accurately capture important footage clearly under low light conditions. Overall, the Subcon Dashcam is not just affordable, it's a steal for the quality and peace of mind it provides. Highly recommended for anyone serious about road safety. The next one is Oeiger S50 dual dashcam. This dashcam offers excellent video quality with its 2.5K front and 1080p rear cameras. Footage is clear even at night. The wide-angle lenses provide great coverage, and the G sensor feature gives peace of mind in case of any accidents. I also appreciate the loop recording and the option for 24-hour parking monitoring. The screensaver feature is helpful for nighttime driving, though it took a little adjusting to get the settings just right. The 2-inch screen is small but easy to navigate, and the adjustable suction cup mount is sturdy and flexible. Bonus that it comes with a 32GB storage card. This has everything you need inside the box. Overall, it is a great value dashcam. At number 3, Autovoda front and rear dashcam. This dual car dashcam with front and rear cameras has proven to be an excellent investment for the vehicle. The standout feature is undoubtedly the video quality, and the 4K front camera captures incredibly crisp and detailed footage, even in low light conditions, while the 1080 pixel rear camera provides crucial coverage of what's happening behind me. The wide dynamic range is a game changer, ensuring balanced exposure and clear recordings regardless of lighting. With a G sensor, this car dashcam front and back can record and lock the current video to save evidence when the car takes a collision in parking. This dashcam comes with an extendable 2-year repair and a full refund within 30 days. The inclusion of a 64GB SD card is a fantastic bonus, saving me the extra cost and hassle of purchasing one separately. Number 4, Azacvb 4K Full UHD car camera. This 3-channel dash cam offering a 170-degree front camera, a 120-degree built-in camera, and a 150-degree rear camera can simultaneously monitor the front, rear, and interior of the vehicle to maximize road coverage, greatly enhance night vision, and provide clear and crisp images and videos. The dash cam is a combination of front, rear, and interior cameras. The dash cam with super night vision and infrared cabin light uses a wide aperture with a total of 6 layers of optical lens and WDR technology, coupled with 4 infrared lights, enabling the car camera to show impressive color accuracy and clearly capture important details day or night. Additionally, the Azexb dash cam can record continuously for 24 hours in parking mode and has a time delay recording function to record continuously with low power consumption and low frame rate, providing all-weather protection for your car. And number 5, Penemay Wi-Fi dash camera. This dash cam offers an impressive combination of high-quality video recording, user-friendly features, and reliable performance, making it a solid choice for drivers seeking peace of mind on the road. The front camera records in crisp 4K resolution, delivering sharp and detailed footage even in low light conditions. The 170-degree wide-angle lens ensures comprehensive coverage of the road ahead, capturing critical details like license plates and road signs. The rear camera, recording at 1080 pixels, provides decent clarity for monitoring the back of the vehicle, though it's noticeably less sharp than the front. Its seamless loop recording automatically overwrites the oldest unlocked videos when the card gets full. Together, they offer excellent all-around visibility, and that's your top 5 under $50. Proof that peace of mind doesn't have to come with a premium. Like, subscribe and keep your eyes and dash cam on the road.